All Coast Lawn Care.
Hey, Charles here, AllCoastLawncare. Lawn Care. So today we're gonna do a pressure washing job. Well, house wash. I use a pressure washer for gallon per minute, but we call it house wash because I don't apply pressure to the house. I step away from the house, so it won't the water won't be it won't hit the house hard, the siding hard. So that's why I call it house washing, even though I'm using a pressure washer. But hey, I got the hose management set up already. I'm running the pressure washer set up at the lawn care trailer. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and give them also a there's a $200 job, y'all, for the whole house and also for their little walkway right here. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead pre-treat the walkway with a pump-up sprayer and let that sit, and I'll hit that last. All right, y'all, so when applying the sodium hypochlorite, also known as SH or pull shock, as some may call it, some people they say you got to start off from the bottom, then work your way to the top. But seeing many videos on YouTube, people start off from the top to the bottom, so it doesn't really matter, y'all. As long as you get that SH on the siding, it's gonna do its job and start eating away all that organic growth, all that algae. But as you can see right here, y'all, at the bottom of the house, I'm still using the high tip. You know what I mean, for the tip for the on the salt water, on the pressure washer gun that reaches to this 2-story. I didn't switch it out. I'm just stepping away back and applying it to the bottom of the house. Just keep in mind, y'all, pressure will ruin the siding of a house, okay? Pressure could damage property. So I step away, and that's why I call it a soft wash still, a house wash. As applying the sodium hypochlorite softly to the house, okay? So by doing this, y'all, you won't cause damage to the siding, okay? This house already has damage to the siding from like previous hurricanes, winds, or I saw holes in the siding also from somebody probably pressure washing it. So hey, remember to take pictures, y'all, before you do a job like this, okay? Always take pictures. Just turn your camera on video and do a video of the whole house. Walk around the whole house and catch any kind of damage, okay? That way you cover yourself, just in case the customer blames it on you. Hey, you ruined my house. Oh no, I didn't, ma'am. Or sir, here's a video I took before I started doing her house wash. So that will cover your back, y'all. Yeah,
all
right.
I'm gonna go and rinse it off now.
But here you go. Right now, I'm saying I'm about to hey, look at y'all, it's disappearing. I'm about to rinse it off now with water.
I'm like not too close to the house. I don't want to apply pressure. All right, so step away. We're using a pressure washer.
So there I am, y'all, just rinsing it off. Okay, I got the tip for to reach to the very top. All right, I'm rinsing it off with water. Just rinse it off. Hey, make sure you get those windows too, okay? Okay, you don't want no SH to stay on those windows because it's gonna cause streaks. But there you go, y'all. I'm stepping away with the pressure washer gun because I don't want to apply too much pressure, okay? I'm rinsing off all that SH off the side of the house. All right, remember, don't apply too much pressure. Step away, okay?
All right, now we're gonna do the front. Usually I'll work back and then a frontal, but this is where the most algae is, so I want to show you this. I already pre-wetted the bushes with water.
All right, here's another satisfying part of the video, y'all. So, hey, remember, y'all, vegetarian, bushes, anything green, anything that grows, y'all, you always want to wet it up, okay? Soak it up, all right? Soak it up with water because that SH, the sodium hypochlorite, your formula, your magic juice, your potion, your recipe, whatever you want to call it, y'all. It could be dangerous for plants, okay, for flowers. So make sure you wet the bushes before you apply sodium hypochlorite because wind will cause that sodium hypochlorite to blow. You know what I mean, away from the house, and it could get on the grass, it could get on the plants, flowers, roses, bushes. Okay, so if there's like plants or bushes like they had that stuff like in pots like against the house, pick them up and move them away, y'all, because you're gonna spend $200 on this house wash, and next thing you know, you're gonna buy $100 worth of plants. Okay, so now you just came to $100 house wash. All right, you had to go to Home Depot or Lowe's to buy some plants. So make sure you wet up all the veg. Okay, the bushes around the house first, or flowers or plants. Okay, if you're gonna do a surface cleaning, make sure you wet the grass on the side of the concrete. Okay. There you go, y'all. I don't got the 2-story tip on there. I got the 1-story tip on there. All right. Hey, y'all, right here. I forgot to get the doormats away from the house. So, see what I mean, y'all? Get anything that bleach could cause damage to. That could bleach it up, make bleach spots, move it away from the house, okay? So I quickly I turned to from the soap nozzle to the rinse nozzle, and I started spraying off the mats. All right, but hey, y'all, hey, look at the house on top, y'all, the 2 stories, all right? All that sodium hypochlorite, it's already doing its work, all right? So I don't know if you can see me on the other side. I got the 2-story tip nozzle. I'm getting on the side of the side of the house. All right, I'm spraying the top. Any vents on top, y'all, underneath those awnings, y'all, be careful, okay? Because remember, water goes inside the awnings, okay? It could damage the inside the attic.
All right, we'll let that sit for about 1 more minute.
All right, this side of the house wasn't really that. They didn't really have that much organic growth algae. On the, I didn't really film it. I didn't really I cut most of the film off because those bushes were covering the side, the front of the front side of the house. So I couldn't really get no good video, y'all. But it was real green. You just had to be careful, okay? If you're gonna get the siding of a house when there's bushes against the house, you could tell them, hey, you give them a quote for the house wash, and also in order to get the rest of the side of the house, I'm gonna have to trim our bushes, and that's gonna be another $200. You know, just 200 to trim the bushes. Yeah, yes, because I can't get the side of the house because the bushes are all against the house, and that was causing a lot of your organic growth too, ma'am or sir. So that's another upsell y'all can have, y'all. Okay, I'm trimming bushes before you do a house wash because it is interfering with the house wash, y'all. Okay. So there's me. I'm just wetting down the bushes with water. All right, make sure I'm taking care of the bushes. Okay, I don't know if you can see, y'all, but I did tape up the lamp right there. So I went all around the house and I taped up all the sockets above the lamps so water could like drip down and behind it. Not water, SH, because SH, y'all, it could like cause damage to any electrical wiring to those lights. So make sure you tape up any sockets, or people put trash bags over those lights, but I just put painter's tape over on the top. Okay, it seems like it's doing a good job. It's holding in place. But there's me. I'm just wetting the bushes again, y'all. Rinsing off the house with water. So let's go to the back. I don't know if the camera can really catch it, but check this out, y'all. I'm doing like a real quick concrete cleaning right here with the pressure washer. All right, that's why it's dangerous, y'all. Okay, you need to step far away from the house when you're using a pressure washer. Okay, because I don't know if you can see it, man. I'm cleaning that little concrete off right there. That's how strong a pressure washer gun is, y'all. All right, I don't know if you could tell, but there's me. Step away, y'all. Step away. All right, let's go around the back. The hose ain't gonna go all the way around, so we'll go around the other side. Look, y'all see a difference? This is called house washing, but with a pressure washer. Just make sure you ain't going hard with the pressure on the house, because if you are, then it's called pressure washing. So words mean things, y'all. Hey, look at all that organic growth, y'all, right there, right? That algae right there. Okay, I got the soap tip on there. It's siphoning all that SH from the bucket over there on the trailer. Check it out, y'all. Okay, I'm just rinsing it off. Not rinsing it off. I'm applying the SH. Okay, just keep looking at it, y'all. It's just gonna disappear. But you don't. Pressure is not cleaning the house. It's the SH, the sodium hypochlorite. That's what's cleaning the house, y'all. Not pressure. Okay, not pressure. All right. If the organic growth or the algae, if it's real strong, if it's real like strong on the house, if it's real heavy on the house, then get a pump up sprayer and apply a strong ratio of SH and just pump spray up the house. Okay, but in this case, like right there on the first floor, you could use a pump up sprayer. But if it's high, y'all, if it's high, then because I'm downstreaming with the pressure washer, it's only bringing out like about 1.2% SH. Okay, so if you need a stronger ratio of SH, then you're gonna have to just keep applying SH to the that part to the top of the house. Okay, if it's on the top, just keep applying it, y'all, and let the SH do the work. All right. It's kind of hard to tell it's disappearing because it's kind of it got that shade right there because of that A big old bush. All right, but hey, that's what's doing the workout, the SH. It's not the pressure, it's the SH.
All right, it's already like coming off all that algae, but let's go and finish the other side and then we'll rinse it off.
All right, I'm pretty much done with the back of the house, y'all. All right. So just be mindful, y'all, with all the electrical stuff. You see that little light up there? I don't know if you can tell the blue tape. I put that blue painter tip all around the cracks of that light. Okay. I don't want to get water. I don't want SH to get behind there, or it could damage the electrical portion of the light. All right. But there we go, y'all. All right. Now I'm just rinsing it off now. I'm rinsing it off. Okay, remember, you want to get the windows real good, okay? You don't want to leave streaks from the SH on the windows, all right? Customer will probably call you back, hey, I got streaks on my windows. And then, because you have good customer service, all right, man, we'll be back to cleaner windows. All right. Hey, remember, they can leave you a bad review, okay? Or by not responding to your good customer service, by not responding with your good customer service, they might not refer you to their friends, okay? So that means a lot, y'all, if you're to show back up and try to fix a problem, okay? That means a lot. All right, good customer service, y'all. Just rinse real good, y'all. Rinse those windows real good. Okay. So step away from the house, y'all. Don't apply pressure to the house.
All right, y'all, we're done with the house wash. Only thing I didn't do was gutter brightening. That's a whole different service. But let's go ahead and surface clean this passageway.
All right, here goes the surface cleaning, y'all. Okay, so this SH, I pre-treated it with SH, y'all, and it's been there for like already maybe like about maybe 30-40 minutes. Okay, so pre-treating is good, y'all, with SH because I found out by doing a couple of concrete jobs, surface cleaning, you'll leave lines. So you have to do like a figure 8 motion not to leave lines. But if you apply SH, you pre-treat it. I mean, you could go up and down, y'all, and it won't leave lines. I don't know how it does it, but just through experience by doing a couple of these jobs, I learned that pre-treating with SH does not leave lines. All right, so once you use that, so for this little part, there's like all these little sections. I'll do like three sections, and then I'll rinse it off with the water. Okay, I don't need the pressure washer gun. I could just use the ball valve, like I'm gonna do right now. Okay, so it's good to have a ball valve, y'all. All right, kind of like turn the ball valve or makes it into like a little pressure washer gun, and just rinse off everything. All right, I'm doing the I kind of edit when I edit the video. I didn't really show me surface cleaning the steps, but it is surface cleaner, y'all. Like it'll get everything, y'all, man. But if we're doing these bricks, be careful, okay? Because the mortar, I'm saying it right, the mortar, you know what I mean, that glues the bricks together, like all that pressure could like damage it, okay, or like tear off the mortar. So just be careful when you're doing bricks, okay, with the pressure washer. All right, but this ain't soft washing, house washing. This is actually pressure washing, y'all, okay? We need pressure to get off organic growth off the concrete, and you're not gonna damage concrete, y'all, with the pressure washer. What you could now, if the concrete's damaged already with cracks and you got pieces, you need to be careful with the surface cleaner or pressure washer, because you could like flick rocks, pieces of concrete out of the cracks, and it could like damage property, or it could flick real hard and damage property, okay? So, and you don't want to damage the concrete even more. So just be careful, okay, when you see cracks in concrete. There I am, y'all, just rinsing it off. Okay, I'm rinsing. All right, so it doesn't hurt, y'all, to wet the side of the sidewalk again with water. All right, because all that SH may you see how it's flowing down. If it flows down the side of the passageway, the SH could damage the grass. So I didn't show you in this video though, but I had already wet the both sides of the little walkway with water. Okay, water deteriorates the SH. Okay, it weakens the SH. That's why you have to wet the bushes, flowers, grass, anything that SH could touch. You need to wet it with water. All right, but there I am, y'all, just rinsing away. All right, I think I'm done rinsing right now. All right, I'm about to get that surface cleaner now. See, there you go. I'm turning it off. Attach it back to the surface cleaner and finish off the walkway. All right, so you'll do this for a driveway, y'all. It's the same process, okay? Just wet the side of the driveway, apply the SH, and surface clean, y'all. Surface clean. Okay, you want to pre-treat with SH, okay? I pre-treat with 2% SH. You go 2 to 4% SH, but about 2% is good, y'all. Okay, you don't want to waste chemicals, all right? 2% is good.
All right, I just got finished. So look at it right now. So I don't know if you remember the before the video. The neighbors across the street said it looked good. She goes, wow, the house looks excellent. So that's cool. So people are noticing, y'all. There's the back. So just remember, y'all gotta like, I didn't show it, but I taped up all the sockets and everything. Hey, look, there's a walkway, y'all. All right, and so I did her curb just for a plus because she let me service her house. So I'm in my own neighborhood, so maybe word will get out that, hey, Charles down the street, he house washes. So let's hope word gets out. But hey, thanks for watching. Remember, you can use a pressure washer. Be careful with the siding. Step away. All right, when you're applying the pressure washer gun to the house. All right, let it go on softly, so it could be considered a soft wash. Hey, thanks for watching. God bless, and see you on the next video. Bye.